Are you looking for the best PEX crimp tools in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best PEX crimp tools that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Iwiss iCrimp F1807 all-in-one crimping toolkit. If you'll be installing a lot of PEX, this Iwiss iCrimp kit has everything you need in one place. It also features a go/no-go gauge and a wrench for calibrating the crimper. We like the way all the tools fit nicely into the included hard plastic carrying case for protection. The Iwiss PEX crimping toolkit is easy to use. We were able to change jaws when we were crimping different sizes of tubing. The long handles make applying sufficient force for crimping relatively easy, but it still takes some hand strength to crimp the rings snugly. The included go/no-go gauge is a definite perk. After crimping a ring on a PEX fittings Iwiss, we used the gauge to see if we'd crimped it accurately. The removal tool made it easy to cut through incorrectly fitting crimp rings. And the cutter was a nice bonus because it ensured flush tubing edges that fit smoothly against the shoulders of the copper fittings. This kit gives you everything you need to run PEX tubing. Up next in the 4th place is the Plumbflex Crimper Toolkit. This clamp-type tool performed flawlessly in our tests. We used it to attach stainless steel cinch clamps to both sizes of PEX tubing, and the fittings were snug and secure. Plus, it comes with 50 clamps of each size, so we had plenty to test with. It doesn't come with a go/no-go tool, but you can pick one up for under $10 from any home improvement store. We used one of the go/no-go tools that came with another model we tested, and each clamp we applied was right on target. One of the benefits of a PEX clamp tool, including this one over a traditional crimp tool, is the ability to reach into tight spots, because there's no need to spread the handles as far. We tried out the Plumbflex on a few cinch rings we had from a different manufacturer, and it worked just as well. Another perk is the PEX cutter that comes with the clamp tool. It cuts the tubing straight and flush, so the edges fit smoothly against the shoulders of the brass crimp fittings. The 3rd product on our list is the Iwiss iCrimp CRP1096 PEX Cinch Toolkit. If you're looking for a budget-friendly tool for securing stainless steel cinch rings, look no further than the iCrimp PEX Cinch tool. This clamped cincher works for any size PEX and comes with 30 clamps, so you can get started right away. It performed well in our tests, but it took a bit more hand strength to completely snug the cinch rings than the Plumbflex model. Still, it did a good job and comes with a top-notch PEX cutter. The only downside was that the removal feature of the tool didn't work well for us. We followed the instructions for adjusting the tool from the clamping feature to the removal feature, which requires about 5 steps. And then we tried to cut the tabs, but all we got were smashed tabs. Maybe we didn't do it right, that's likely. But it seems like a complex process, and simpler to just use a dedicated removal tool. One additional thing to note is that the iCrimp cinch tool cannot be calibrated. However, we found it well calibrated right out of the package, and it should be fine for completing most PEX plumbing projects. This tool lets you make high-quality connections at an affordable price point. Second on our list is the SharkBite PEX Crimp tool. We're big fans of traditional push to connect SharkBite fittings, so we were excited to test the brand's crimper tool and weren't disappointed. At just under 4 pounds, the SharkBite crimper is one of the heavier PEX plumbing tools we tested, but it did a spectacular job of creating a secure connection each time. We tested it with stainless steel crimp rings, but it's also designed to accommodate copper crimp rings. Changing jaws on the SharkBite was simple, and it comes with a go/no-go gauge, so we could check each ring after crimping to ensure it was correct. It performed flawlessly. The SharkBite comes complete with a mini hard case that secures the gauge and the jaws, and it fits over the head of the PEX pipe crimping tool. We actually prefer this type of case because it doesn't take up a lot of space in our toolbox, and we can even slip it in a tool belt. The mini case protects the working parts of the tool and keeps the accessories secure. However, it doesn't come with a removal tool and is not designed for use in restricted spots. Its handles must be completely opened nearly 180 degrees to crimp a ring. However, it manages all standard PEX sizes, and the ergonomic handles reduce hand fatigue. Finally, the top product on our list is the PEX Multi-Head Crimp Toolkit. For a heavy-duty crimping tool that can tackle most PEX tubing plumbing projects, we think the PEX Multi-Head Crimp Toolkit is worth a look. The jaws swap out with 2 hex bolts, which the included wrench also fits. The Apollo provides plenty of leverage for sealing off plumbing joints, good for creating up to 100 pounds of force. The components pack nicely into the plastic carrying case, keeping everything secure and in one place between projects. The only thing we would like it to include is a PEX cutter to make straight flush cuts. And that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.